What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to talk about critical points, interval of increase or decrease, and also I'm going to talk about local minimum and maximum. Here we have f prime x, which means that the first derivative of f of x, which is equal to x minus 1 squared times x plus 2 squared. We need to find out the critical points of f. We know critical points are those points that make f prime x equals to 0. So it means that for this example, x minus 1 to the power of 2 times x plus 2 to the power of 2 has to be equal to 0. When you solve it, x minus 1 equals to 0 or x plus 2 equals to 0, which means that x equals to 1 and x equals to negative 2. So then we have, for finding the interval of increase or decrease, we need to make the table of values. We have x minus 1 squared and we have x plus 2 squared, and multiplication is going to give away f prime. So in this type of examples, we have the roots here, negative 2 and 1, which divides the whole interval as 3 different regions. And in each region we need to find out if it's negative or positive. And then we can estimate that if f prime is positive or negative. For this one is going to be very simple. Why? Because we have squared and we have squared. Any expression to the power of an even number is going to be positive always. So this one positive, 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 positive. We don't need to even bother. Positive times positive, positive, positive times positive, positive, positive times positive is positive. So f prime is always positive. It means that f is increasing all the time. From negative infinity to positive infinity is f is increasing because it's always positive. Whenever f prime is positive, it means that f is increasing. Whenever f prime is negative, it means that f is decreasing. So since f is just increasing, it means that there is no local minimum and local maximum. Why? Because if we have a local minimum or local maximum, we need to have change in sign of f prime, which means that we have plus and negative in two sides of the points. Since we don't have such a thing in this example, it means that there is no local minimum and local maximum for this example. No local min and local max. That's gonna be the answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question. Thank you for watching and have a great day.